Welcome back to Strategix. This is day 6 of our CISSP certification journey. Today, we will learn about policies, standards, procedures, and guidelines. This topic is very important in Domain 1 and is commonly tested in the CISSP exam. These 4 items help organizations manage security in a structured and consistent way. Let us start with policies. A policy is a high-level management statement. It defines what is allowed and what is not allowed in an organization. Policies are approved by senior management. They show management's intent and direction for security. Policies do not explain technical details. They set expectations. Next are standards. Standards support policies. They define specific requirements that must be followed. Standards are mandatory. They ensure consistency across the organization. Now let us look at procedures. Procedures are step-by-step instructions. They explain how to perform a task correctly. Procedures are very detailed. They are usually written for operational teams. Next are guidelines. Guidelines are recommendations, not requirements. They provide flexibility. Guidelines help users make good decisions when strict rules are not possible. A simple way to remember this order is from highest to lowest level. Policies set direction. Standards define mandatory rules. Procedures explain how to do tasks. Guidelines offer best practices. For the CISSP exam, this order is very important. CISSP questions often ask which document should be created first, or which one provides the most flexibility. Always choose policies first, then standards, then procedures, then guidelines. From a management perspective, these documents support governance, compliance, and accountability. Let us quickly recap. Policies define management intent. Standards are mandatory rules. Procedures are step-by-step instructions. Guidelines are optional recommendations. In the next video, we will continue Domain 1 by learning about roles and responsibilities in information security. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Strategix, and share it with other CISSP aspirants. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, stay secure, and I will see you in the next video.